Speaking of a toxin that goes unnoticed is number 5, and that is healing emotional trauma or that toxin, that pent up trauma that has gone unresolved. And what happens because it's all pent up, it manifests itself into physical illnesses or chronic pain. And it's a real, because once you kind of unlock that and just accept it and forgive it, whatever it may be, it's things can change completely. And in order to do that, it's not a easy thing to do, but you're gonna have to probably do some kind of shadow work, some therapy, or even at home. Just start a journal and write down and be truthful in your thoughts. Put those thoughts to paper and words, and that can really be a game changer.
Yeah. Therapy is really good because once you be honest with yourself and speak it, and someone else hears it, it's a release for you.
The cortisol, which is stress hormone, it don't matter if you're walking through the jungle and a lion pops out at you. It's the same hormone as you have all this pent up stress, and that just disrupts your immune function and your healing. So it's really about being mindful, getting rid of that emotional stress and trauma that's been pent up for years.
That's a good analogy, hon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another one, I think it's gut health. Importance of a healthy microbiome for immunity and digestion. Having a good gut health, right? Your gut is your second brain. You've been hearing this a lot lately, right? Healing it can improve everything from your energy to your mood. So
Yeah, that's where your serotonin and dopamine, super majority of that's made in your gut. And the only way you make that is through your good bacteria. Right, so the dopamine gives that kind of high. That serotonin kind of gives that nice steadiness. So you talk about anxiety, fear, worry, depression. You got a good gut, those tend to kind of go away. Not to mention like even skin issues. You know?
yeah, that's true. So that can help
Yeah.
prioritize having a good gut is fermented foods, right? Your kimchis, your sauerkrauts, your yogurts. Make sure there's no sugar in it. Fiber-rich vegetables and prebiotics. So everybody knows to eat their vegetables,
Yep.
fresh vegetables, right? And if you can't afford the fresh, there's frozen vegetables. There are so many recipes out there you can find to make these taste really good and not have to load it up with butter, fat, bad fats, or deep fry. You don't need to do all of that.
Now, I was talking to a patient today, and we're talking about how diseases are created. She's going to nursing school. And I said, yeah, well, I know you probably learned that they say that 70% of chronic diseases come from the mouth. I said, no. It's probably more like 90% because if you think about how the body is, everything you put in your mouth, it goes into your body. It's one big tube and it's all absorbed. So your gut's all messed up. It's probably because your mouth is all messed up and what you put into it.
Ooh.
Yeah. And so I hope that helped her out by in her little quest to become a really good nurse.
Yeah, seriously.
But number 7, though, with all the toxins that you always talk about, is to get in the sauna or do some kind of heat therapy. Because when you sweat, man, the benefits are you get the detox, you can purge all that stuff out of your system, and then it just improves circulation. In fact, it almost mimics like the effects of exercise. And it can reduce the pain, the inflammation, and just give you a good boost to recover from whatever you're experiencing.
That's good. Wow.
Especially like the infrared saunas. They're good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, those are really good. I think they're popping up all over. So if you don't have one at home, you should definitely try them out. They're good.
Yeah, definitely.